Hello guys, welcome. This is our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we will introduce you one of our hard sealing valve assembly for you, and now please let's check it together. Firstly, I will show you the outside packages, the blue VCI and T roast back here. This is the label, and the first line is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00RJ01479. Actually, logo label packages all support customized service. Inside is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transportation. Now let's see the product. 1 layers of oil paper to wrap it up, and each product 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. For this valve assembly, its supply cable for injector number is 04451200066. And apply cable for vehicle car valve valve. This is the valve cavity with the coating figures and the groove. This is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to install it, here Caitlin suggests you to make sure the valve cavity in the right position. The valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injector body. That's the tips I'd like to share with you. Okay. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. We should have a good day. Bye.